Hi everyone, this is Devins Financial Weekly Stock Analysis Newsletter. Today is March 6, 2016. Our newsletter is for your informational purpose only. We're not responsible for your gains or losses. Let's take a look at the market trend and our strategy. Your stock market is still in the uptrend, and gold may have bottomed out, and crude oil also may have bottomed out. My action and current trades. I'm currently long the leading stocks. I also long Nasdaq and SP 500 ETFs. I'm also long the gold ETF. I will long the crude oil ETF. I'm just waiting for the opportunity to buy. Let's take a look at the indices and their charts. First is the German DAX index has reversed the downtrend when above 50-day moving average. So this may have bottomed out. Nasdaq definitely bottomed out. You can see that Nasdaq has completed the double bottom. This is a W shape. The second bottom is lower than the first one, and it's completed. It's reached above this the revert. Well, this is the middle point of the double bottom, and now it's above 50-day moving average. And from a chart technical analysis point of view, Nasdaq is in a short-term or mid-term uptrend. So SP 500 did the same, completed the double bottom, and it's in the uptrend above 50-day moving average. Gold long-term chart, monthly chart for the gold. Gold may have bottomed out. Gold had been in a downtrend since 2012, and now it's been 4 years of the downtrend. It has a potential to reverse that downtrend and going back up. Let's take a look at the gold weekly chart. You can see clearly this is a trend line for about 3 years downtrend line. Now it's broken, it's going up. Gold daily chart, and you can see it has a big run up, and then this is a consolidation and then went back up again. So this is a little breakout from here. Silver also has a potential to reverse the downtrend. Gold mining stock ETF already reversed the downtrend. It's going up. Crude oil rebound very strongly and took out the previous high, little downtrend high here, and right now it's about 50-day moving average. So from this chart, looks like a crude oil also is reversing the trend. At least for the short term, is in the uptrend. Long term or mid term, we have to look at the longer duration chart, which I don't have right now. And they just basically, I'm looking forward to long the crude oil ETFs. This is a energy stock ETF and reverse the trend. It's going up. Shanghai Stock Exchange ETF is still in a downtrend, but we have to watch out. It may have a potential to reverse the downtrend if it breaks 29.33. If it breaks 29.33, especially if it go above 50-day moving average, that has a potential. FXI is an ADR of the H share, the China 25 big companies sold in Hong Kong. These are in the downtrend, but right now it may have broke out and reversed the trend. Look at this little consolidation here around $31. It already broke above $31. So FXI has a potential to go up, and looks like FXI may lead the China market, and so we have to watch out for the China market's reversal. IBB is a biotech ETF and still in a downtrend. This is weak. This sector is weak. Well, let me take it back. Maybe some of the biotech company stocks are doing very well, but the ETF itself is not doing very good here. But it maybe have a short-term bottom out, but overall the trend is still down. IYR is the U.S. real estate ETF, uptrend here. Jets is the airline company ETF. It's going up. So it reversed the previous downtrend here and going up. Semiconductor ETF, SMH, reversed the bottom out, break out from the double bottom right here, $50.23 right here. Now it's going up. SOCL is the social media index ETF. Those are the Facebooks, LinkedIn's, such companies. And still in the downtrend. It has not yet broke the double bottom. Broke double bottom would be $18.62. If it can go above that, that's breaking the double bottom. So right now it's not, but it may just do that very soon. Solar ETF, still in the downtrend. Solar ETF is weak. XLF, this is a financial ETF, broke the double bottom. Here's a first bottom, second bottom. So here's a breaking above the double bottom, above 50-day moving average, so it's going up. XLU is a utility. Utility broke previous low, but now it looks like it's rebound again. So it may just consolidate around this area, make a new base and break out. That's the ETFs and indexes. Let's take a look at the leaderboard stocks. Those are the IBD leaderboard stocks, and they are near the buy point. So let's take a look from IBD charts, which give you a better notation here. AT&T broke out the cup base right here. And AT&T has around 4% dividend. So this is a very good stock to own and solid company. And technical analysis tell us it's broken up from base, has a potential to continue go up, and plus the 4% dividend. That will help. So next company is DPZ. It's a pizza. Well, DPZ. Okay, Domino Pizza broke out this base. This is a long flat base and with a gap up. So it says on the breakout way gap, use open price of 126 to set a buy range. This is a pivotal point, 126, and 5% above that pivotal point is $133.25. That's a buy range. So as long as it's below 133 and 25 cents, you can buy. That's buyable. And fundamental is pretty strong. This is a stock on IBD leaderboard. Next one would be, okay, I'm sorry, EW. That would be next one. This stock broke out, then came down again. Now it's re-breaking out. So based on the previous base, and the buy point is to $87.71. And next one is G, ticker G. And breakout pivotal point is at $26. Buy range is up to $23.30. Fundamental is okay too. MTSI. And breakout pivotal point is $41.42. And this is a double bottom. So, and Previously, it has a cup with a handle breakout and then make another double bottom. Now breakout again. Okay, then next one is a PayPal. PayPal is worth of watching. PayPal is a new IPO. Basically, it newly spin off from eBay, and fundamental is very, very strong on PayPal, and it break out this base here. So the pivotal point is $38.62. Another breakout would be $42.65, which is a high after it being spinned off. If the stock can break above $42.65, it will have no resistance. It will just continue to go up. But for now, this is also alternative buy point, $38. You can buy at this point. You can use this pullback as the stop order. So PayPal is a good stock to buy. Next one will be RAI. Reynolds American. This is a tobacco company. And breakout pivotal is here. After broke out, it pull back. Now it re-breaking out again. Buy range up to $52.14. And next one will be the Ross. It's a clothing company. And fundamental is quite strong as well. And breakout pivotal point is a here, $55.75. After broke out, this is a cup with a handle shape breaking out. This is a cup, this is a handle, handle base breaking out. And right now it's re-breaking out again. So, and next one will be gold, which is an ETF. We have already looked at it. Gold is an ETF for the gold commodity, GLD. GLD is an ETF for the gold commodity. And breakout pivotal point is $120.94. So this is a good ETF to own right now. Let's take a look at the ETFs. First of all, the NASDAQ, as I showed you in the chart, NASDAQ is in an uptrend. At least it's a short-term to mid-term uptrend. Long-term, we have to be very cautious for NASDAQ, but for now, we can hold on to the ETF for a little while until the further signs show whether NASDAQ can continue to go up or might come down. So for now, we can own it. But be prepared to jump the ship if something's go wrong. Anyhow, NASDAQ ETF is a QQQ. That's an ETF. SP500 ETF SPY. Gold ETF, you've got a physical gold GLD. You've got a gold mining stock GDX. Also, there's a physical silver ETF SLV. Crude oil ETF, we have USO and OIL. Both are one times tied with the crude oil. They're tracking crude oil. So those are the ETFs that's associated with the underlying indices. Those are unleveraged ETF. They're just one times with the index. So this is also a ETFs I think in current market we can long it. Actually, I hold QQQ, SPY, GLD. That's all. I hold those ETFs. So I'm looking to buy either USO or OIL. What to do in current market? And one may long stocks, one may long ETFs. Whatever you long, make sure you have a stop order. So in case the stock or the ETF drop, instead of going up, they go down at certain level. When they break the support or break the major technical lines like a moving average or something, so we can, if it came down too much, and then we should get out. That's all. That's all for this week. See you next week.